Okay, this is the exciting part. We are going up now. And we see what is on the other side. So excited. Ooh. There we go. Almost there. Almost there. Come with me. Come with me. Ooh, what are they doing there? Uh-oh. That was just what we planned to do. Look up.